into my new listing. This is Robert with Realty One Group Skyline. Headed into my new listing here in OLakes at Del Webb. Alright guys, this here is Bexley. Just about sold out, but I have one of the most upgraded resale listings in the whole neighborhood that I just put on the market yesterday. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,655 square feet. Now, if you know Del Webb, this is a 55 plus active adult community. And this is what it looks like when you come in. I guess I gotta check into the guest gate here. Alright, so I'm in the gate. As you come in, this is what it looks like. Down the parkway, looks like the clubhouse is up here on the left. Circle here, guys, and it's this house right up here on the right. T271 right here. Boom. Alright guys, Robert here with an awesome listing, hot listing, very hot, because this is one of the first resales in this Del Webb of Bexley community here in OLakes, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,655 square feet, and I'm sitting here on an exclusive lot because it's right on this little cul-de-sac right here, and it's a preserve all back here. It's a very nice view out of the front of the driveway, and as you notice, you have your paver driveway here. This house was built in 2022, so it's not even a year old. I think it's just getting to its 1-year anniversary right now. The owner is actually doing his warranty items and his final punch-out list. So guys, I'm going to give you a tour of this awesome home. It has a 2-car garage, like I said, beautiful paver driveway, nice landscaping, and has a nice front exposure here. So actually you'll be the sun will be kind of setting over here, over by the preserve, so you'll have a nice sunset over there as well. So let's check this home out, guys. All right, we're gonna go in through the front door. Now this, like I said, guys, we're not going to talk about price because, you know, price is not set in stone, but it is listed at $489. And the last model home, I think, just sold for just over that. Their model home, it sold for over $500,000, fully upgraded on a water lot. It was like $530,000 or something like that. And other sales in here hover just right around, you know, that high 400s, you know, almost 500 range. But they have not had the amount of upgrades that this has. This has all the upgrades. It has, you know, all the faucets, all the lighting, the washer and dryer. It has the KitchenAid appliances, guys. This home has everything. It has the hood over the range right here. And it's a gas range. Cooktop with a nice backsplash. They added this backsplash. They got the upgraded stone countertops here, the upgraded quartz. Okay, these are your soft close drawers here. Gourmet kitchen. Crown moldings on the cabinets. These are your, you know, extra tall cabinets here in the kitchen. Nice hardware, guys. As you can see. Has the tall doors, 8-foot doors throughout the whole home. That was an upgrade as well. This will be your laundry room with your communications panel. Comes with the washer and dryer as well, Whirlpool. And this is a epoxy. I think there's some stuff in here now, but I will show you that the floor is nicely epoxied in the garage. You know, nice big garage. I think this has the extra 4 feet, so it has, yeah, you have an extra 4 feet of depth in this garage, so you can still fit 2 cars and still have 4 feet of storage. So that's a great feature, guys. Obviously, that stuff will be cleared out when you purchase the property at closing. That'll be a nice clean garage for you guys. So, nice breakfast bar. You know, has the single sink, has the, here you go, check it out. I don't expect this home to last long. I've already got a couple showings lined up. People seem to be interested in it. I mean, it's a beautiful home. So it's a, you know, it's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath with the flex room right here. So this is your flex. And it's, I mean, it's really, it's almost, and it's got a closet, so really it's a 3-2, to be honest with you. And I don't know why we're even calling it a flex. Because you have, I mean, honestly, I think the listing should say 3-2. Not a 2-2 with flex. So now that I see that, I might change it. Here you go, guys. Your nice showers. Look at that. Nice large vanity. Beautiful flooring. The extra thick baseboard. 9.5-foot ceilings. All black hardware throughout. All black faucets throughout. It's nice how it opens up right here, and they added this additional, you know, the vinyl plank laminate all throughout the house except for the wet areas. And then they added the extra cage, so they actually, you know, did the whole finished slab and everything, and did the bird cage and extended the lanai, which is nice. I think it's about a $6,500 upgrade. Yeah, this is stuff that the model home has, guys. This is like all the upgrades. See the extra large sliders, the pocket sliders, those disappear. They disappear behind the wall. So you can't even see it. A beautiful fan out there. TV mounted on the wall. Look at that fan. Nice upgrades, guys. Beautiful, beautiful upgrades. It's basically, you don't have to do anything. You just Getting a brand new house, fully upgraded. You don't have to try to mimic what the builders are doing, what the model home looks like. It's already done for you, and it's ready to move in. So we're in the position where we can vacate very quickly and they're ready to go. So the first serious buyer that we get, the better. Not really gonna go in there because it's a little bit of a mess. But your tray ceilings, beautiful home, guys. So as you know, Del Webb is a resort style community. So we're gonna go check out the clubhouse and check out the amenities. We're gonna check out everything that this community has to offer. I wanna see the pool, I wanna see the restaurant, I wanna see what's going on. So let's go check it out, guys. Yeah, guys, to take advantage of this listing before it's sold, call me at 941-879-4730 or have your agent reach out to me ASAP. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this tour.